song that turned into the Kim Pao phenomenon. What began as two separate stories became one journey shared by millions of hearts. Tonight, their journey reaches a new beginning. Kim Chiu and Paolo Abilino are bringing the magic, the chemistry, and the kilig to the entire world. Are you ready? From the Philippines to fans across the globe, the love story continues. I love you. This is Love Kim Pao, the World Tour.
ito. All right, guys. Sorry, naka-skirt ako.
Yeah! What's up? Hala, super na talaga sa concert artist natin dito. Hindi na namin?
Yes, and I'm very appreciative. Napakarami niyo today and thank you. Maraming salamat sa oras ninyo. Sa mga pumayahe pa from all over Canada and outside Canada, may mga namit na ganyan. Thank you.
Grabe, and also sa mga hobbies, sa mga jowa sa nandito. Saludo kami sa inyo lahat! Sino dito yung mga napilitan?
Sila yung mga napilitan, isama dito ng mga asawa nila. They were forced by their wives or girlfriends to come here. There's a lot. See, who were forced to come and forced to pay for the tickets to come here. Yeah, there's a lot. Ang dami. Thank you for doing
It's the
this.
cutest kasi lagi namin, pang-apat na show na natin to, pero pag nag-meet and greet, laging sinasabi na, sinama ko siya, sinurprise ako ng asawa
Tapos
ko.
yung asawa parang,
Wait, super naman, nag-enjoy naman siya. Kaya are you ready to enjoy the night? Super, we love it. This is our last leg. And thank you so much for this very warm ending ng Love Kim Powder. Ingat mo, bye-bye.
diba? Galing tayo ng Manila. Saan ba tayo mga pumunta?
Then galing tayo ng Redwood City.
Anaheim?
Anaheim, ng Edmonton, and now we're here!
Yes! Paano ba i-pronounce ang Toronto? Toronto. Kasi may mga narinig ako. Toronto, dami. Going to Toronto.
Toronto, okay.
Ay, si Mami.
Yes! Tita, you're the
ni-
best ever!
Ang boss namin.
I love you too so much.
Thank you. Yes, 2 countries, 3 time zones, 4
Wow, time zone!
time zones.
Amazing!
Yes, 4 cities, at kahit sa